Hello, back again. Something a little bit different. I just bought a new doorbell, a TeckNet, and I'm just going through all the annoying ringtones. I'm not too sure how many there is, but there's quite a few, and they're all annoying. Where's the buttons? Why would you want that as your doorbell? Stop me. Is there no normal doorbells? Please. Just want a normal doorbell. 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 Doorbell, doorbell.
Hello, welcome.
Hey, a normal doorbell. Not again. Have I played these before? Yay! Should be a chicken next. So I'm not too sure how many tunes are on there, but there's quite a few, and most of them are quite annoying. But say it's quite loud, so it's not too bad. So for 16 quid you get your doorbell, and you get 2 ringers, which ain't too bad. It's just you've got to put up with a hell of a lot of annoying bell tones. So that's all. Hope this video's helped, and goodbye.